I want to show you how to unlock any Ninebot scooter in 2026 on a maximum speed at cruise control option, or more other options will be available, and the maximum speed for all three here Ninebot scooters is 32 km/h in the sport mode. All of them can ride. With some modification can ride even 35-40 km/h. So here I have E2 Pro, F2 Plus and F3 scooter. All of them ride maximum 32 km/h. So let me prove it to you now. So first E2 Plus, let's spin it. So as you see, maximum speed 32-33 km/h for E2 Plus. Let's move on with F2 Plus here. So parking mode, sport mode, 32 km/h, going quite easily. And the last one, but not least, okay, let's move it here, is F3. Okay, let's try it out. Also 32 km/h for F3. So now I will show you how I made it. Actually, each scooter has different methods. All the methods you can find in a link in the description below, but currently I will show you how to do it one by one. Actually, the first one methods available are as following. For E2 Pro, only one method available in 2026. It's actually controller replacement. So here I have the controller here that's already unlocked to 32 km/h. What you need to do is to order this controller and replace it here. I have a special video how to do it. It's very simple, takes 15 minutes. Unfortunately, software unlock is not available for E2 Pro, only hardware unlock, but it works well and you can reach the maximum speed. For F2 Plus, actually controller replacement also one of the options. You can buy a new controller already unlocked and replace it. I also have the video on my channel. Although from hardware methods you have a still link, so you can flash your existing controller with special software. Actually, that's the second method. The third method, you can use apps, a scooter hacking utility and Xiao Dash app. So both of them has an option to change the region or unlock your scooter. Again, I have the video in the description below how to do it, but actually four methods, Link, Xiao Dash, scooter hacking utility and controller replacement available in 2026 for F2 Plus. And for F3 here, actually scooter hacking utility is working method. You can change the region, you can also adjust the speed using this app, or you can purchase special device. Actually, the device can be installed near the handlebar here. It will not void your warranty. When you just bought a fresh new scooter, you put it by yourself, this bar on the top. So actually here you just dismantle it again. Or if you just bought your scooter, you don't need even to dismantle it, you just install it, plug in. I have a video how to do it, and then you can reach the maximum speed. So actually that's how easily you can unlock the speed on all the Ninebot scooters in 2026. For all the videos in the description you can find out. Please subscribe to my channel, put the thumbs up. If you want some more video, leave a comment below, and see you next time.